We're under maintenance. Relationships, under maintenance. Hugs, under maintenance. Habits, under maintenance. Affection, under maintenance. Solidarity, under maintenance. Tolerance and respect, under maintenance. Priorities, under maintenance. When our homework is over, masks will be replaced by broad smiles. But in the meantime, stay home. Our teams are out there in the field doing safety maintenance for those who cannot stay home. And as soon as the world is a safe place again, we'll take you there. Safety first.